Anthony Jeremiah. I've been working for XPS for 16 years. I'm here today. We're at a 700 square foot 3-car garage. In this video, we're going to be priming right over the flake, getting it prepared. We're going to be doing a base coat of rock hard USA epoxy at 300 square feet a kit, which is 100 square feet a gallon. Then we're going to be dropping a bomb with one of the best guys in the business. His name is Bill Waters, okay? He's been doing epoxy before most of you boys were born out there, okay? And we're going to be dropping the epoxy at 25 square feet a gallon. So for all you mathematicians out there, that's 75 square feet per kit. So it's going to be glassed out. We're going to be doing SnowDrift, which is a white metallic. We're going to be doing XPS Black Pearl, the one and only, the most famous black in the industry. And we're going to be doing another famous color called CM101, which is metallic silver. And we're going to be dropping 3 kits at a time, 3 kits at a time, 3 kits at a time. So in total, we're going to be doing 12 kits on 700 square feet. I can't wait to see what it looks like, guys. More to follow.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to be doing a floor that's already been prepped. These are PCDs. These are our prep diamonds. There are 2 segment. This is a 16 medium 16 diamond. This is an 8 seg medium diamond. We're going to use this on this floor because it already has epoxy on it. We're not trying to remove it. What we're going to do today is we're going to white it out. We're going to take the sealer off the top of the floor here, so our next coat of epoxy is going to be able to bond on it. One of the advantages over our machines than other people's machines is our diamonds. A lot of these machines have pegs here. They slide in. They slide into the people's plates. We don't have that. Our diamonds automatically stick. Nobody in the business has this. You see how that go? They plop right in here. Boom. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, when you're removing diamonds off of this machine here, you never put your fingers on the inside of this, because when you're turning this plate and your fingers get trapped in here, it can crush your hand. Always put your hand to the outside, bring the diamonds around. That way you'll never hurt yourself. It's all about safety. We want you guys to be as safe as possible. If you're not safe, you're going to be hurt and you won't be working. So now we have a little keyway here. If we look here, we have a keyway here on this thing. We take this, we line that up with the keyway, and we plop it right in. We make sure it's level around here, okay? If it's not level, your machine's going to bounce around when you're putting all your rest of your diamonds on there. You see how it's all even? Now you see how quick it took us to do this? It took us a second to take off the old diamonds, and it took us a minute to put all the diamonds. Done. If you're using any other machines, you have to slide them in, you have to bang them in to make sure they're locked in. Our machines, with our new technology, with our magnetic diamonds in here, we don't have to do that no more. We just push them in. It saves you time. And now you're able to get right back to work. It's more important to get to work than to be messing around on a machine.